VRTECH is India's first event that looks at virtual reality and augmented reality's applications in design and manufacturing. Virtual and augmented reality technologies have become engineers' communication tools. They enable cross-functional teams to digitally see their designs and greatly enhances meaningful interaction. This enables them to identify potential issues in pre-production stage itself and take up any necessary corrective actions immediately.
It was a very good event with a lot of technical content and very good speakers, and I think it will go a long way.
It's nice to see a number of people coming together who all have the same use of language, which is virtual reality. And I believe that in the use of the technology, it's being very well presented here.
It was pretty good participation from across the industry and top names. So from automotive, in my own panel discussion, there were Tata Motors, there was people from Maruti, John Deere, Fiat. So it's pretty good participation.
Focused events have put together a very good event by bringing in not only the thought leaders but also a very good participative audience. I really see that it really came out very well.
It's an excellent event. So first time such kind of event happened in India. Got a good opportunity to talk in detail with the senior executives. Most of the people are the very concerned people who came here and spent their full day to attend to understand the VR AR technologies.